Hi, what's going on? Welcome to Driver Installer. In this video, I will show you how you can recover deleted contacts from your iPhone. As you heard, in this tutorial you will learn how to recover the contacts that you have deleted from your iPhone and without using any program. The only thing you will need is to have access to a computer for just a few minutes. Before we start, if you want to know more tips about iOS, make sure you subscribe to this channel. On your computer, what you are going to do is go to Google. In Google, you are going to search for iCloud. Write it in the same way as you see it on the screen. Then click on this result. Once on this page, you are going to enter your Apple ID email, and don't worry because this is an official Apple website, so your data will be safe. Now you are going to enter your password. Now pay close attention because here is the important part. You are going to click on the name that is in the upper right, which should be your name, then click on Account Settings. Within this page, you will go to the bottom. Here, you will see the Advanced section, and you will click on Restore Contacts. From here you can restore files, restore calendars, and even restore your bookmarks. But for now, let's get to the important topic, contacts. Within this box you should see several dates. These dates indicate when Apple has made a backup of your contacts, so you would have to press the restore button corresponding to the date on which the contacts you need are. But beware, the contacts you had on that date will replace your current contacts. This is something very important that you have to take into account, but do not worry because they will not be deleted, but will remain archived so that you can recover them when you need. Once this has been explained, click on Restore, and this warning will be displayed with the same information that I just gave you. Now click on Restore and wait for this process to finish. Usually it only takes a few seconds, but this depends on how many contacts you have. Once the process is finished, go to Contacts, and you should already notice the changes, which means that the deleted contacts are now registered on your iPhone. On the website, you will notice that a new date has been created. To recover the contacts you had, you will only have to restore the contacts of this date. And that's it. If you want to continue learning, watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe.